Good evening, everyone. This is Romona Foster coming to you from Social Media How To's with Romona. I am coming back to you. I just completed a how to download your Facebook data video in reference to the fact that Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp were down part of the day, and some of the content was down other parts of the day. People were not able to share posts, view posts, and all of that type of thing pretty much all day today. So, like I said in the Facebook video, a number of people had asked what was happening, and that was what was happening. And that's why I'm coming to you with this video on how to download your Instagram data. Now, there is a blog post that I've already done when Facebook was down, like November, December, and then March or something like that. Like it went down quite a few times. So I've done a number of blog posts and email marketing campaigns in reference to this. These are my first videos, but I want to make sure that you know exactly where to go to download your Facebook and Instagram data. Again, you can read the Facebook version of it on my blog at romonafoster.com, and I will shortly, I can't promise if it will be tomorrow or not, but I will create a blog post for this as well. But we're going to go ahead and get started on downloading your Instagram data so that you will have all of your information. And again, this is all about you don't own your data on Instagram, Facebook, or any of your social media profiles. So you want to make sure at least monthly you are downloading your data so that you don't lose anything that you've posted on any of these social media accounts. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to first log into your Instagram account at Instagram.com. These are the desktop versions of the videos, by the way. I'm going to try to see if I can do it from my Android as well. I'm not sure if there's an option to do it from Android, but I will show you how to do that as well if there is an option. So go ahead, log into your Instagram account, and then click on this. And again, this is on desktop. You're going to click on this little person type icon. And then we're going to click on the gear icon. This is going to bring you, by the way, to your Instagram profile page. We'll go ahead and click on the gear icon. Next thing to do is click on privacy and security. And then we'll scroll down on that page and you'll see where it says data download. It's very simple. So go ahead and request a download of your data, just like we did on Facebook. And then it says get a copy of what you've shared on Instagram. They're going to email a link to the files that are downloaded. Again, just like Facebook, it's going to be your photos, your comments, your profile information, your videos, anything that you've shared on Instagram. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and click on next. And then I have to enter my password, which I do not know. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. Let us pray. I believe this is the correct password for my Instagram. I have everything saved normally, but we're going to go ahead then and click on request download. Yes, that was the correct password. Everybody give me a hand on that. So it says now download requested information. So it says we've started creating a file of things you've shared on Instagram and will email a link to my email address, and it may take up to 48 hours to collect this data and send it to you. So that's that. So now all I have to do is wait for the email from Instagram. And then once you get it, just make sure that you follow the instructions in there. Don't quickly go and click on whatever you see, because there will be a link that will ask you, make sure it's you, to confirm that it's you, and then there may be another link that says something like, if it wasn't you, click here or something like that. So pay attention to what it says. Always, always, always read the information in the email or whatever it is that you're doing to make sure that you're clicking on the correct thing. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Um, Please be sure to download your Instagram data as well as your Facebook data, your LinkedIn data, and any other data of any other social media accounts that you use on a regular basis. Try to download those at least once a month if you are a heavy user of social media. If not, at least download your data once every couple of months, once every 3 months or so, but just make sure that you protect what is yours. Um, Facebook uh, and Instagram will actually own those your content if if you keep it there and they happen to shut down. So make sure that you do this and check out again my blog at romonafoster.com. And again, I will be creating a blog post out of the Instagram download, but you can find the Facebook download information on my blog currently. Okay, thank you so much and have a wonderful evening.